Let me tell you, I know how the state works. I worked in government myself, so I know what I'm talking about. A president is client number one of our intelligence services.
Absolutely.
They report to the president.
Yeah.
The president is supposed to get briefings, intelligence briefings, every single day in the morning. Before he begins his activities, he's supposed to be told what is happening in the country. So there is absolutely nothing that Mkhwanazi knows that Cyril Ramaphosa does not know.
Such an important point, actually.
So this idea that there must be a commission of inquiry to investigate as if the president does not know what is happening is absolute nonsense. In fact, it's insulting our intelligence as a society. He knows. He even knows more than what Mkhwanazi knows. So there is absolutely nothing for him to find out. He knows Mkhunu